solo backpacking trip. Me and Newman. We're in Strathcona Provincial Park in BC. We're doing a loop through Paradise Meadows. We're going to Circlet Lake tonight and then head back out in 2 days. So it's a pretty nice trail. Really nice. Most of it, a lot of it, for the first 4K is like this, a boardwalk, so makes for pretty easy going. Alright. .7K. Let's go. 7.1K to go. Let's go. Well, we're past Helen Mackenzie now. Maybe 5.5, 6K to Circlet. Those amazing boardwalks run out. Let's go, Newman. So now it's real backpacking. Haven't seen anyone for a while. I think the day trippers turn and do the loop around Helen Mackenzie normally. So probably won't see very many people now until Saturday. It's about 10 degrees, I think. We'll get down to 2 or 3 tonight, so it'll be a cool one. Good boy. Newman, get a drink. We're on the trail just before Tripper Lake, I believe it's called, and came across this really fancy looking ranger cabin. But it's really nice in the winter. Alright, let's go. Well, we're just stopping for lunch. We're about 4K from Circlet Lake. Gonna have a pita, wrap, some pepperoni, cheese, and mayo. This guy's ready for his. Right, Newman? Newman? Yeah. Mountains. Getting there now. 2.2K to go. Getting tired, Newman? There's a creature over there for you. We made it. Go find us a site. Newman? Tired boy, aren't you? Let's go. Went with the old 4-liter platypus gravity filtration system on this trip. An oldie but a goodie. Got some coffee on here. Got a little alcohol burning stove inside of the solo stove for this trip. Get some coffee into us. Set up the tent. My big guy. Newman's already done. He had his suppers. Oh, what? I could eat more. Now he's just gonna relax. Right, Newman? Good boy. Brew. A great brew. So we're just sitting in the tent, drinking some Java. Newman is snuggled in for the night. Just gonna finish this up and make supper. So we were coming into camp here on Circlet Lake on Mount Washington, and I saw one tent. I saw 2 tents, and then I see, I don't know, 15 tents. I'm like, oh my god, I'm not gonna get a spot, because you're only supposed to camp on the platforms or for conservation purposes. So I'm like, oh no. And it was 5K, I think, to another campsite. So I'm like, well, I don't know. But I kept walking, and it turns out it's a huge area, and there's lots and lots of platforms, and I haven't really heard or seen anyone. So I talked to a couple people, and apparently there's 2 groups from outdoor ed programs. So they're hiking up Mount Albert, and that's about 5K from here, and like a hard climb. So they're doing that today. So that's probably where they all are. Hopefully it's not too noisy tonight, but we have a good spot. It's about 4 degrees out, I think. It's cool, but don't really feel it. We're having some pad thai from Blue Dragon. It's got rice noodles, spices, sauce. It's pretty simple. Small package, very convenient. Gonna add some beef to that. Some diced deli beef. So this is it. Put it all in the pot. Should be good. Cheers. Well, it's about 9 o'clock. We are in for the night. It's a nice little lantern that comes with the Sierra Designs Flash 3 tent. It's big enough, too big for one person, but it's the tent that we have, and having a wee glass of wine. Newman is tucked underneath the blanket. I don't know if you'll see him or not. That's his butt. It was a good day. I think we did about 11 kilometers. A couple switchbacks here and there. After the boardwalk, it got pretty difficult, but I'm going to be sore tomorrow, though, I can tell you that much. Hey, Newman. He is super tired. Well, it's morning, day 2. Gonna get some coffee. Hit the trail. We have a boil. For breakfast, we have some scrambled eggs with bacon. Put it in a wrap with some cheese, should be good. Newman, we're trying to put away the tent. Well, it's about 10 o'clock. We are rolling out. Newman's all set. I'm all set. Ready to go, Newman? Don't look so sad, jeez. Not bad scenery. Mountains all around us. .2K to Courtenay Lake. Some lovely people left their garbage behind, of course. Pack that up, I guess, take it with me. Well, we made it to Courtenay Lake. About 5K almost. Half decent trail. Found a great spot. Room with a view. Just relax now. Soaking up some sun, right, Newman? Yeah. Bit of a day trip to canyon. Got some time. It's only 3, so we give it a go. It's amazing how much faster we move when we don't have packs. Crushing this trail. Right, Newman? Crushing it. Tonight I'm having dehydrated, well, I guess rehydrated spaghetti I made at home. It's penne noodles with sauce and some ground beef. Hopefully it comes back, tastes good. There we go, final product. Bon appetit. Well, it's morning, day 3. It's 7:45. Just finished some breakfast. Newman's helping clean the dishes. Gonna hit the trail. 7.5K to get out. Pretty much ready to go. Well, we're on the trail. It's just after 8. Heading to Helen Mackenzie and from there to the parking lot. Hey, Newman? $7K, Newman. Let's do this. Go. Go. Almost there now. Let's go.